In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact John Lewis customer support. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we can do is head on over to johnlewis.com. And now once we're on the official website, either at the top we've got customer service, or if we scroll all the way to the bottom, the website footer, under help, we've got customer services. Go ahead and click onto either or. And now we're on the customer services page, and it will say get in touch. So it'll say contact us. We'll put you in touch with the right team to help. Click on get in touch. So if you've got any delivery inquiries, returns, or refunds, just choose which one you want to, or is best suited to why you want to reach their customer support. So it's delivery inquiries, click onto that. If we want to general delivery queries and then still need help, click on view contact details. And now from here, we can give them a call. So we can give this number a call 7 days a week, 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. They haven't left any email addresses. So what we can do is go to a site called pissconsumer.com. This is it here. Click onto pissconsumer.com. And now in the search field on the top of this site, type in John Lewis. And then click on John Lewis. Now if we scroll down, we'll have a couple options here. So we've got reviews, Q&A, and contacts. So go ahead and click onto contacts. And now we've got some more numbers we can call, and we've also got complaints and feedbacks, legal, and also privacy inquiries. We've got email here as well.